everybody. I know that I told y'all 2, maybe 3 videos ago that I had been very busy when I wasn't on YouTube, and I was going to catch up with what I've been doing, and I'm going to. I put out a couple of videos last week, but today I'm not going to show y'all what I've been doing in my craft room. I'm going to show y'all one of the things I've been doing outside of my craft room. I have hit a few antique shops and some thrift shops. I don't share with y'all these things very often because most of the stuff that I find is just really utilitarian and really, you know, pretty and enjoyable, and I love it. But this was too good not to share. And I was trying to think, should I show the best thing first or save the best for last? And y'all, I can't wait. I've got to show y'all the best thing first. First thing, what did I find? I paid $11 for it. Y'all, look. It's a little girl's dress. And look, oh my goodness, look at that. Everything about this dress usable. Look, it's just gorgeous, y'all, gorgeous. I am so excited. And the lady at the shop said, oh, do you have a little granddaughter or a little daughter or something? And I said, you are probably not gonna like what I'm about to tell you. But I showed her the stuff that I make and everything. She goes, no, I love that it's being used. That's just gorgeous. And y'all, look how many pieces I could get out of this. A big piece or just a ton of small. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, and this is such a huge piece, and I got so many other pieces, most that I'm not going to share with y'all, but a lot of textiles on the visits. And so I'm thinking, should I make up maybe some junk journal packages, you know, with a color scheme, or maybe some textile packaging to put in my Etsy shop to offer y'all. In the comments, y'all let me know, would any of y'all be interested in me doing that? If so, I have so much. I have got 2 rooms overflowing, but I couldn't pass this up. I mean, come on. Wow, I love it. I mean, just look at the cameo here. One cameo would make such a beautiful piece. All of the, can y'all see the metallic threading? I mean, look at that. Right there, that one image looks like a chandelier. It's just beautiful, and I'm so happy. Okay, on to the next item. I don't know how I'm going to show y'all this item. It's pretty big, and it weighs a good bit, but we're going to try. Okay, y'all, I stopped my camera for just a minute so that I could get all of this up here. I'm not going to be able to stand it up for y'all to see. Well, you can see most of it. So you get the idea. It stands up. It's pretty big. I do have to clean it up. Here's the top, and it's got these metal arms that move so that when it's standing up, all of these are separated. And it's a cloth hanger. And so I've got to do some cleaning up. I might do some painting on it. I haven't decided yet, but I've got so many beautiful napkins, and they're just put away. And you know, even if I use those napkins in projects, they could still be right there momentarily, looking really pretty, right? Y'all excuse my little desk mess up there that y'all got a little shot of. I am in the middle of a couple of projects, so it's kind of a mess again. All right, next little piece. I got this little cup and saucer. It's really heavy, y'all. It feels like pewter, but I just loved the cream color and all of the bling pieces in it, and the coffee. I have not cleaned it up yet, but I was wanting to get some vintage photos and put in here. I actually have some in my closet that are family photos, and I think that would be perfect because, you know, it's personal, has more meaning. Okay, so some of my stuff they put in this bag. How cute is that? They had no idea they were giving me something else that I can use in my project. Okay. So I got these earrings. Y'all, excuse my, that's where I cut myself with a knife. I apologize. I got these earrings and I don't know if I'm going to wear them because they're so gorgeous and they're my colors. I'm fall and they're beautiful, but they'd also be beautiful embellishments. I'll try not to show y'all my finger. Apologize about that. But I just think they're beautiful. So I got those not knowing, are you going to wear them or are you going to use them as embellishments? Lean towards embellishments. I've got some earrings that I never ever take out, but I saw those and thought I would wear them. They're gorgeous. Found this beautiful, y'all look, 50 cents. And it's, where's the beginning? I can't find the beginning, but I'll pull a little bit out here for y'all and then put it back up. Y'all look how pretty and delicate that is. I love it. Love it. Okay. All right, Sheila with Boho Designs. If you're watching this, look what I got. And what I'm going to do amongst a million things, but when I saw this, I immediately thought tassels, dangles, yes. And I could rip them, and the pieces that I have, I could just sew the pieces together to make longer dangles if I want them to be longer. And y'all look at that. Again, I could put some of this, a lot of this, in kits in my Etsy shop if y'all are interested in having it. Just let me know. And I got, this is not the only stack of the fat quarters that I got. I got a lot of them. I just wanted to show y'all one. And then look at this table runner. Tiny little doilies, pink and white, all stitched together. My husband calls me Doily Queen. And I'm not, believe me, I'm not. I'm sure there's plenty of people with more doilies than I have, but he doesn't think so. And I love them, and I love to craft with them. And yes, y'all, I even have some on some furniture downstairs. Usually in the spring and summertime, I have them down there because they're this really beautiful, what color would you call it? It's a green, a moss green. They're moss green, and it reminds me of springtime. So I usually use them in the spring. All right, and here's a couple of napkins that would be perfect for my cloth hanger. Oh, I'm not going to get that off right now. That scares me, so I'll have to do that when I can be more careful. Let's look at them this way. Had to have it. Had to have it. I love those dogs. Love the colors. So springtime-like. Look how pretty. So pretty. One of those is definitely going on my cloth rack. All right, final thing, guys. So real short video today, but important video, right? I found these little little hair clips. Have not opened them yet. Where are my scissors? Maybe, Marie, if you clean your desk off. Y'all look, my desk was just clean. It really was. And then I got so busy crafting the other day and needed so many different things. And now I don't see my scissors. I see my fabric shears, but no, only for fabric. Okay, so I just thought what cute little embellishments those would make. Look at that. And then these would make cute little, you know, clips to hold things into journals. Look at those. So pretty. Here's the little one that fell off down here. A little butterfly fell off of that. But that's okay. I'm going to take the butterflies off. Most likely anyway. And I got 2 sets of those. Anyway, y'all, get out, go to your antique shops, go to your thrift stores. You won't believe what you can find. And you know, sometimes for me it's a dud and I don't find, sometimes I find nothing, but most of the time I will find one or two usable things. But I went out twice last week and oh my goodness, it was so much fun. I've got so many good things and I hope y'all enjoyed it and it inspired you. Again, y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all would be interested in me putting together some maybe junk journal packages that you could use with fabrics, with different ephemera and stuff like that, or if y'all would like some textile packages to go in my Etsy shop. Thank y'all for watching. See y'all next time.